available Central Secretariat through the integrated concourse on 14 January 2011. Remaining portion from Sarita Vigar to the Badarpur was offered from commercial servicing adding new station network marketing completion line. Section between Mantic House and Central Secretariat was opened 26 June 2014 after the 971 meter 3186 feet section between IOT and Mantic House opened 8 June 2015 at 14 km 8.7 mi extension southward till escort at the Faridabad inaugurated Prime Minister Narendra Modi 6 September 2015. 9 metro station at Delhi Metro Phase 3 have been awarded highest possible rating platinum adherence to green building norms at Indian Green Building Council IGBC, which is device rating of mechanism metro station and building scale platinum gold silver and following green building specification award by these station and were given DMRC Managing Director Manju Singh, PC Jain, Chairperson IGBC, President DMRC Director and Senior Official of 10 September 2015. Currently Faridabad Corridor, Delhi Metro Violet Line, longest metro corridor outside of Delhi, consisting 11 station and total length of corridor being 17 km 11 mi and 28 May 2017 I2 Kashmiri Gate Corridor. Delhi Metro was formally flagged off passenger service by Union Minister Urban Development Vankai Naidu and Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal section which run underground popularly known as Heritage Line. Interchanging available Red Line and Kashmir Gate, Lilla Line and Kashmir Gate, Central Secretariat, Blue Line and Mantic House and Pink Line Lajpat Nagar, other Magenta Line, Kalgachi Mandir. Airport Express, Delhi Metro Airport Express Line, Interior Delhi Metro Airport Express run from 22.7 km 14.1 mi from Delhi Railway starting Dwarka Sector 21 linking Indira Gandhi International Airport. Line was operated Delhi Metro Operas and Express PVT Limited DAMGL subsidiary Reliance Infrastructure concerns of line till 30 June 2013. Now being operated by DMRC. Line was considered cost of 57 billion rupees US dollar 710 million which Reliance Infrastructure invested 28.85 rupees billion and US dollar 360 million will pay fees on revenue share model. Line has 6 stations at the Klan and Delhi RST become operational 15 August 2011. Some featuring check-in facility parking and eateries. Rolling stock consists of 6 coaches and operating intervals of 10 minutes having maximum speed of 135 km per hour and 84 mph. Originally scheduled to open from 2010 Commonwealth Game and line to fail to obtain mandatory of safety clearance. It was opened 24 February 2011. Delay around 5 months. After 16 months of commencement of operation, line was shut down or repaired and viaducts and 8 June 2012. Line reopened 22 January 2013. 27 June 2013, Reliance Infrastructure lead intimated DMRC they have unable to operate the line beyond 30 June 2013. Following DMRC took over the operation Airport Express line from 1 July 2013. Operation maintenance team 100 official handled the line. Jan 2015, DMRC reported Airport Metro has recorded about 30% rise in ridership of following fare reduction and up to 40% July last year. 14 September 2015, DMRC announced reduced fare even further improved reduction of a line. New fare structure of will have been maximum fare of 60 rupees minimum 10 rupees instead and 120 charged yearly reduction about 40%. DMRC has stated that this was done to reduce crowding bus line and blue line diverting some Dwaraka found and passenger airport express line which was underutilized faster compared to blue line. On 24 June 2013, operation speed and train was increased from 100 km per hour to 110 km enabling 16-minute ride from New Delhi and IJ Airport. Interchanging are available Yellow Line and New Delhi Blue Line, Dwarka Sector 21, Durgabai Deshmukh South Campus Metro Station, Pink Line and the Daul Khan with the Indian Railway Network at New Delhi. Expansion Dwarka Sector 25 has finished was inaugurated 17 September 2023 along with the opening adjacent of India International Convention Center. Pink Line, Line 7, Pink Line second new line, the third phase of Delhi Metro. It was partially opened 14 March 2018. Further extension opening 6 August 2018. 31 October 2018. Dialog Puri, Sanjay Lakes to Siva Vigar section was opened 31 December 2018. Lajpat Nagar and Mayor Vigar Pocket first section opened. Final section between Mayor Mayor Vigar Pocket and Triple Lok Puri Sanjay Lake was opened 6 August 2021 after being previously delayed due to land of acquisition rehabilitation uses. Pink Line consists of 38 metro station from Majlis Park to Shiva Vigar, both North Delhi, with length of 58.43 km, 36.31 mi, longest line Delhi Metro, breaking records set of the operational blue line, excluding branch line, mostly elevated, cover Delhi almost U-shaped pattern. Pink Line is also known as ring road of the line. Entire line passes alongside busy ring road and Delhi, which witness massive traffic jam every. Pink Line has interchanged most of operation line network such as Red Line and Nechadi Subhas Nagar Place, Welcome, Yellow Line, Azadpur and Delhi Hath and INA Blue Line, Rajouri Garden, Mayor Vigar Phase 1 and Anand Vigar, Karakduma, Cree Lane and Punjabi, Agh West and Pulakwana of Airport Express, Durgabai Deshmukh South Campus, Violet Lane, Lajpat Nagar Wellness, Asras Nizamuddin Anand Vigar Terminal, Indian Railway ISPT Anand Vigar at the Pink Line was highest point Delhi Metro, Dawlakwan and height of 23.6 meter, 77 feet 5 in, passing over the Dawlakwan grade separated flyover Airport Express line. Magenta Line, Line 8. Magenta Line was the first new line operated from the third phase Delhi Metro. It was partially opened 25 December 2017 between Botanical Garden and Galgach Mandir. Entire length of line was inaugurated 28 May 2018. Consists of 25 metro station and Janakpuri West Botanical Garden. Magenta Line provide direct connectivity Terminal 1D Indira Gandhi International Airport station of line. Current yellow line was deepest metro station, depth of 29 meters 95 feet, passing record setup. Gauri Bazaar station yellow line, depth of 25 meters 82 feet at the Magenta Line interchange with the yellow line at the Kaukas. Blue Line Janakpuri West into Botanical Garden. Violet Line Kalgaji Mandir Delhi Metro Network. First every fully automated driverless train service was started. Magenta Line December 2020. Grey Line Line 9. Grey Line also known as Line 9, shortest route of system connect Dwaraka and the Dansa bus stand is the west part of Delhi. It cover around 4.295 km, 2.66 mi, comprise 4 station Dansa bus stand and Nafchagar and Nangli Dwaraka at the interchanging Blue Line Dwaraka station. Nafjagar Dwaraka section open public 4 October 2019. Extension Dansa bus stand is scheduled to open the December 2020. Construction got delayed due to COVID-19 pandemic. It was subsequently inaugurated by 18 September 2021. Integration with the RRTS RapidX Delhi RapidX semi-high speed regional rapid transit system. RRTS aim to connect Delhi with the neighboring cities of via 8 lines of the semi-high speed train running maximum speed of 160 km per hour. Phase 1 project consists following 3 corridors: Delhi Ghaziabad, Meerut corridor, Delhi Gurugram SNB Alwar corridor and the Delhi Panipat corridor. These 3 corridors, Delhi Ghaziabad, Meerut corridor, also known as Delhi Meerut RRTS, currently under construction. National Capital Region Transport Corporation NCRTS. Delhi Meerut RRTS 82.15 km, 51.0 mi, Longland being executed cost of rupees 30,274 US dollar 3.8 billion, will be 14 stations with 9 additional stations. Meerut Metro and depots of 2 and the other these 14 stations will be Delhi at Sarai Kelka and New Ashok Nagar Anand Vigar. These RRT station plan have seamless integration. Station Delhi Metro leading convention for passenger. Station overview. Length of corridor 82.15 km, 51.0 mi. Number of station 14. Name of station Shari Kelka, New Ashok Nagar, Anand Vigar, Shahidabad, Ghaziabad, Guldar, Duga and Murda Nagar, Modi Nagar South, Modi Nagar North, Meerut South, Sadabdi Nagar, Agampol and Modipuram. At the expansion, Delhi Metro was planned to build phase spread over approximately 20 years, each of phase having target 5 years to be completed. At the end of one phase marking beginning another phase 65 km or 40 mi, phase 2 125 km 78 mi are badly completed to 600 to 11 respectively. 3 totally 160.07 km 99.46 mi and was mostly completed 5 April 2019. Expert for small section Pink Line between Mayor Vigar and Packet, Trilok Puri Sanjay Lake section, well Grey Line extension Nafjagar and Dansa bus stand which opened 6 August 2021, 18 September 2021 respectively. Phase 4 network with a length of 103 km 64 mi 6 line was finalized by Government Delhi December 2018. Approval finalist Government of Delhi December 2018. Approval from Government of India received the 3 periodic corridor March 2019. Construction work these 3 periodic corridor having length of 65.1 km under 40.4 mi commenced 30 December 2019 with the expected completion in 2025. Thereafter, end of phase 4 total length of Delhi Metro will exceed 450 km 280 mi and which does not include independently operated system in National Capital Region such as 29.7 km 18.5 mi long Aqua Line, Noida Greater Noida Metro 11.7 km 7.3 mi and the Rapid Metro Gurgaon connected Delhi Metro. This may make Delhi Metro 7th longest metro system route of the length and the Shanghai Metro, Beijing Subway, Hangzhou Metro, Shenzhen Metro, Chengdu Metro and Guangzhou Metro. Phase 4 network line name of station length kilometer terminal status expect date completion. Yes, Major Neutral Line 22 29.26 Janagipuri West RK Ashram Gurugram Metro Loop HUDA City Center Cyber City under construction completes March 2027. Total length corridors shall be about 28.80 km 17.90 mi consisting 27 elevated station with 6 interchange station. Link would start the HUDA City Center to move towards Sector 45 Cyber Park District Shopping Center, Sector 47 Subhash Chowk and Sector 48 Sector 272A Hero Honda Chowk and Uday Vigar Phase 6 Sector 10 Sector 37 Basi Village and Sector 9 Sector 7 Sector 4 Sector 5 and Ashok Vigar Sector 6 3 and the Road of Palam Vigar Extension Palam Vigar Sector 23A Sector 22 Uday Vigar and Phase 4 Uday Vigar Phase 5 and finally merge existing metro network Rapid Metro Gurugram and Avenue of Station near Cyber City. Gurugram from the Dwaraka Sector 25 metro station under construction connected by Gurugram Loop IJ Airport and connecting Palam Vigar Delhi Airport Metro Express. Existing IIC Dwaraka Sector 25 metro station Indian International Conference and Expo Center also connect Blue Line of Dwaraka Sector 21 metro station will likely nearby 6 km extension Orange Line 5 IICC Dwaraka at the southeast of IICC village Gurugram Sector 51 connect Gurugram Metro network near Palam Vigar Halt Highway Station at the near to Sonipet approved an extension rate line June 2017 Government of Haryana Cabinet approved investment of 968.20 crore at the rupees $150 million share on 80.20 and Equity Union Government 4.86 km 3.02 mi extends the Delhi Metro from existing Ritala Metro Station Sonipet and Bhavana with the 3 elevated stations Sector 5 nearly in Delhi border at the industrial area and Nadapur Industrial area Sonipet Plant Bullet Part Phase 4 HUDA City Center and the Manasa City approved by extension line include the Gurgaon Master Plan approved by Haryana Government will go at the Manasar will be interchanging Delhi Alwar region rapid transit system Haryana Orbital Rail Corridor at the Western Peripheral Express Multi-Modal Transit Center and Gurugram Faridabad Metro DPR ready for May 2020 and detailed project report DPR and survey 32 km 20 mi long Gurugram Faridabad metro line with Bhatika Chowk and Gurugram Pata Chowk and Faridabad was completed which will be 8 station with 28 km 17 mi elevated stretch along with Gurugram Faridabad road through ego sensitive and wildlife corridor will be elevated at the line extension partially approved till Noida International Airport 35 km 22 mi long surface running line from Yamuna Express serving the proposed new Noida and International Airport line invention to complete by 2025 and will connect with the Noida Metro operation HUDA City Center Metro Station platform screen door New Delhi Metro Station inside view Botanical Garden Metro Station train separate frequency 1 to 2 minutes and 5 to 10 minutes between 5 and 00 depending upon peak and off peak hour train operating within the network typically speed by 75 km per hour 47 mph on stop for about 20 seconds at each station. Automated station announced by record Hindi and English. Many stations have service such as ATM, food outlet and cafe convenience store and mobile recharge, eating and drinking, smoking and chewing gum and prohibited entry system. Metro also sophisticated fire alarm system, advanced warning emergency, fire retardant material used to train well as permission of the station. Navigation information available Google Maps since October 2010. First coach every train reserved woman. However, last coach also reserved the train changing track terminal station red, green, violet lines to make traveling by metro smooth. smoother and experience, Delhi Metro has launched one official mobile app and Delhi Metro Ride smartphone used iPhone and Android will provide information various facilities like location, nearest metro and fare, parking and availability, tourist spot and near metro station, security and emergency helpline, security. Delhi Metro handles CSF and unit DMR Central International Security Force CSF been guarding system where the ever since took over Delhi police in 2007. Closed circuits camera used to monitor train and speed from these monitored both CSF and Delhi Metro authorities their respective control room. Over 7,000 CSF personnel have been deployed. Security metro and installation addition metal detector, X-ray package inspection and system dog squad which are used to secure system to deal law and order issues. 18 Delhi Metro Rail Police dedicated wing of Delhi Police Station have been established. About 500-200 CCTV camera have been installed. Each underground station about 45 to 50 camera installed, with the elevated station have been 16 to 20 camera each. Monitoring these camera done by CSF which is charges and security of metro as well as Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Intercoms provided by each train car. Emergency communication between passenger and train operate. Periodic security drills are carried out. The station and trains ensure preparedness security agents in the emergency situation. DMRs also looking rising station walls and releasing of the safety passenger. Ticketing and recharges. Delhi Metro token metro fare were last revised and went into effect of 10 October 2017 based on recommendation 4th Fare Fixation Committee May 2016. Convenience Delhi Metro commuters have 5 charge ticket purchase. These are RFID token. RFID token were valid only single journey a day purchase and the value depend on distance travel with a fare and a single journey ranging from rupees 30 US dollar 60 rupees and 75 US dollar. Fare are calculated based on distance between origin and destination station were last by revised by DMRC October 2017. Smart card are available longer duration or most convenient frequent commuter and the valid are 10 year and their date of purchase, date of last recharge and are available denomination rupees 20 and US dollar 2.50 to 3,000 US dollar 37.60. 10% discount given by all traveler made it additional 10%. Discount is given by travel card and holder entering metro station off peak hour from start revenue servicing 800 hour from 1,200 hours to 1,700 hour and after 2,100 hours and end of the metro service in night. Additional discount given by weekdays from Monday to Saturday. Deposit of 50 rupees need to be made by a new card which is refundable and return to card anytime before expiry. Card not physically damaged. Woman commuter Delhi government had proposed fare exception scheme that women could ride free all across Delhi metro network. However, proposal was shut down and the DMRG common ticketing facility allowed the commuter to use smart card under both Delhi Transport Corporation. TC buses and metro was rolled out 28 August 2018 under the Common Mobility Card project. Tourist card are used to be unlimited travel Delhi metro network over short period of time. These are two kinds of tourist card valid from 1 or 3 days respectively. Cost 1 day card 200 and 3 day card 500 including refundable deposit 50 that must be paid the time purchasing card. National Common Mobility Card part of the One Nation One Card policy. Government of India National Common Mobility Card interoperable transfer card are enable to use the pay for travel, roll duties and roll tax, retail shopping, withdraw money and enabled through the RuPay mechanism. The NCMS was commissioned Airport Express Line by Delhi Metro Network 28 December 2020. June 2023 DMRC completed by upgradation of all existing automatic fare collection AFC and system completed system NCMS service based on ticket in Delhi Metro DMRC. QR code based ticketing Delhi Metro QR ticket mobilized based on ticket allow the people travel from destination to another just like conventional token for recharge card. Ticket can be bought online using RIDLR app. For re-entry of existing QR code has been scanned by QR scanner AFG gate similar to mobile based tickets. There are also paper based QR ticket can be bought from the station itself. Entry and exit QR code is scanned QR scanner AFC gates. problem. Yellow line near IFFC chalk and Metro Gurgaon. After repeated complaint nearby residents Delhi Metro installed noise barrier 2011 reduce the sound pollution from metro station. Network has expanded high rider in new trains led by increasing instance overcrowding in delay of Delhi Metro. Problem 8 coaches train have been introduced. Yellow line and blue line. Increased frequency of train has been proposal. Infrequent of overcrowded erratic feeder and bus service connecting station nearby localities have been reported with area concern. With the quality of cleanliness and Delhi Metro loud rising cost of fare have been routinely and criticized. Fare being much more expensive and compared to the bus service Metro replaced. One recently study named of fare Delhi Metro one of the world's most unaffordable among metro charge and more than $0.5 per ride. Another study find the Delhi Metro also have low under ridership problem compared to size may not be generating amount traffic metro system generates. Feeder buses. DMRC operate around 291 electric feeder buses, 42 routes and connecting 54 metro stations. In Delhi, around 200,000 people use the feeder bus service on daily basis. Timing feeder buses fresh 18 hours and 20 hours. Frequency 10 to 15 minutes depending upon road traffic density. However, operator wishes he can become the before beyond this cover. Present metro feeder bus departs and located Shastri Park and Enclave, Janakpuri West and Dwarka Section 9 and Yamuna Bank, Asadpur, etc. Ridership. Delhi Metro had a continuous increase by ridership since the inception of FY 2016 and 17 when metro service were introduced. 2002 average readership and 80,000 passenger per day. Average daily 2016 and 17 riders were 28 lakh 2.8 million ridership in decline. 2017 to 18 marginal increase. 2018 to 19 falling increase. Highest number of passengers single day was reached 30 July 2019 with 51.6 lakh and 5.16 million trips network and FY 2019 to 20 average daily ridership 27.8 lakh 2.78 million. Delhi Metro was suspected 25 March 2020 due to COVID pandemic and operation was restarted of September 2020 resulting decline average daily ridership 8.78 lakh. Summary finance. Metro has been operating with loss on EPD earning before taxes basis since 2010 although loss had reduced after 2015 to 16 EBITDA earning before interest taxes depreciation and amortization. Margin declined from 73% of fiscal 2017 to 27%, fiscal 2016 to 17 before improving 30% 2017 to 18 2014. Delhi Metro started naming the semi-naming policy metro station awarded by through the e-tendering process generate non-fair revenues. Funding and capital. DMRC won equality government national capital territory Delhi and government of India March 2016 total debit stood the rupees 291.5 billion US dollar 3.7 billion was equity capital was 239.9 billion US dollar 3 billion cost of debit 0% Union Government of Delhi and 2.3% Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA. Equity capital as the 31 March 2016 rupees 193.1 billion US dollar 2.4 billion paid capital. The rest of rivers under surplus. Depots. Some depots such as Shastri Park, Yamuna Bank deposit located in the vicinity of their respective upgrade station complex, whereas other Shastra Vigar and Mundagar joined to main line interleading Nafchagar and depot. Unique houses train from blue line, well grey line, something which is Sarita Vigar depot. Also have future violet line and silver line. Phase 2 depots Kalinchit Kunj and Vinodnagar have been built on very differently owning land acquisition issues. Farmer has been made with such a way extra elevated establishing yard